So there's a lot of discussion happening in sport and Tahir business today. How are you doing, Tahir?
May good Akib, God is too kind. What about you?
I'm doing well, Tahir bhai. And how do you see, obviously, the big match, Pakistan versus India tomorrow? And Pakistan have gotten a victory in their first match against Oman as well by 100, close to 100 on margin. How do you see this, Tahir bhai?
Akib, I will relate that victory, a welcome victory, but not a comprehensive victory, to be honest. But the main point of concern is how our team perform in tomorrow's match, which is just a few hours later. We will see the two great nations playing with each other. So the point over here is our team should remain calm under stress and strain, and they instead of focusing on learn, they should focus on win on.
And Tahir bhai, do you think that Pakistan is slowly regaining their image back? Because I think I was also reading a statement from Oman captain before the Pakistan-Oman game that he said that Pakistan lost to teams like Zimbabwe and US,
Oh.
and he was also confident that we will be able to beat Pakistan. But Pakistan gave them a smashing defeat by 93 runs. How do you see this? Tahir?
Because I kept the moment you become overconfident, and that is the moment when you shake your confidence and your faith as well. So this thing happened, same thing happened with Afghanistan, and credit goes to our great Nawaz, that who managed to not only pick 5 wickets but also pave his way to making the hat trick as well. So it was just because of the big words, big statement given by the Afghani nation which led them to defeat.
And also Nawaz picked up 1 wicket in yesterday's match. Sufyan, the team also picked up 3 wickets in yesterday's match. Tahir bhai, how do you see Pakistani spinners are also dominating again because at one time our spin was struggling. Even Shaheen Shah Afridi is coming back in rhythm. Tahir bhai, how do you see?
Yeah, Akib,
Our bowling is coming in shape.
it's very good to see that our lost bowlers are finding again from the 3 years. Like bowler like Shaheen Afridi is joining, and his track record has been exceptionally well, especially
Saim is
against
taking
India.
wickets,
Yeah,
two wickets
so
for
it's a very
Saim.
good sign that our spinner are improving at improving rate. So it's very good sign that we have a very good pick like Nawaz, and which other name you have to Saim Ayub as
Sam,
well.
Sami.
So it will be a very close game tomorrow.
And that way, obviously, as we're defeating Oman, public was also saying that now because Babar and Rizwan are not in the team, so we are regularly defeating even the small teams. That way, how do you see this? Obviously, if the team is regularly winning, it's becoming difficult for the senior players to come back. And now I think it's going to be more harder for these senior guns to make a comeback in the team. That way, how do you
No
see?
worries, Akib. I think Babar and Rizwan should focus only on one days.
And
I think
test
one days
matches.
have been vanished from the long time. They should focus on test. Look, Muhammad Yusuf played only, I think, in 2007 T20 and maybe in 2009. After that, he stepped back from the T20 because T20 wasn't matching his taste. And so that was the reason that he performed exceptionally well in the test matches. So I think Akib Rizwan and Babar should resign or take retirement for T20 just to focus on the test matches. It will be worth adding decision for them.
And that way also Fakhr Fauji has said about Saim Ayub that he's the updated version of Babar Azam and he's not yet achieved even 80% of his potential. That way, how do you see this? Because Saim is though taking wickets with the bowling, but he's not scoring runs, which is what he's known for. That way, how do you see? And the management is constantly giving him chances. They're trying to groom him.
Because Akib, he has strong back. You know what I mean. He
And
has
Babar brought
strong
him
back,
back.
and
Babar was to back him also.
At one time Babar used to have strong back, but when that strength of Babar went away, Babar also sacked from the
Same
team.
thing with Fakhr also.
Same thing happened with Fakhr, and I am sure same thing will happen with Saim as well. The moment he had driving force behind him, he will be given too much chances. The moment his driving force will shatter, his place in the team will become obsolete.
And lastly, before we close this video, Tahir, there was also a concern that India-Pakistan match tickets have not been sold at
Ah,
this time because I think they're complete young guns from both the teams. Even from India, no Rohit Sharma, no Virat Kohli, and from here, obviously, Babar Azam is one. These players are not there. Even though Shaheen is there, but Shaheen is still struggling a bit for success. So, how do you see that?
Akib, it is not the issue. I think we should talk on the facts. What the main reason? The reason is not that Shaheen is not there, Virat is not there. The main issue is Indians are very what should
Hypocrite.
we call is hypocrite nation.
You were sharing
Not
also for
only
Irfan Pathan, Tahir.
because they said on open forum that we will boycott Pakistani.
We will not commentate also.
Yes, Pakistani team on all the format. That's why their nation is boycotting this match. That's why the ICC is unable to get more attention, especially from the Indian fans as well. The majority of tickets, if we talk about the facts and figure, just put the take facts and figure, you will see that majority of the buyers are these tickets are Pakistani Asian players. So that's the reason Indian nation proven to be hypocrite. That's why Akib, despite the fact of declining the prices of the ticket, still ICC is struggling for success to sell her ticket.
Thank you so much for having me channel. Tomorrow again, we'll try to have very sorry that that's what we do. Like, subscribe to both if for more content like this. Till and goodbye from me and the side. It was so fun. Allah Hafiz.